Hello, I'm Joe Crawford of artlung.com. Pretty much every day I go to CSSBattle.dev and do the daily target. Today's target was delayed due to a little bit of a deployment issue on the server side for CSSBattle.dev. I believe it's up. Let's go there now and see what's up. Oh, yeah, look at that guy. Well, that's great. All right, so what is this shape and how do we make it? I think that I'm going to use use the body tag to create this, and we got a few different things that we can do. The first is set the margins on the parent or root element, the HTML element, 445, 42 margin at the top seems to get it, and then 100. How about 90? How about 92? And that's your circle. If I do border radius 50%, I get a circle. This circle is black. That's not what I want. What I want is a radial gradient. 1Q or the keyword. Actually, I don't need that if this is a square element, but I want it at 50%, 100%, and then it's going to be this brown color, and then this yellow color. Maybe that radius is 30 pixels or something. 0. Oh, look at that. It's not actually a square. So I do square, and then I'm going to do a border of 20 pixels solid, and then the brown color, I think. Probably not 20 pixels. It's more than that. So let's do that. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 60 does it. And then this is maybe 20, 30, 40, 50. And then that's not at 100%. It should be 90, 80, 90, 95. Oh, weird. Maybe, oh no, it's 50 pixels. Okay, so where is that? So that's what I got right now. That's not what I want. I need it to be lower. How about 100 pixels? 110. Aha. Okay, now we're getting something out. 40. 100. There it is. So that's the circle. So that radial gradient is coming in outside the bounds of the container or outside it's lower than the inner content. But this is certainly a way to do it. And it is 100% match. So I'm going to minify and unit replace. Probably there's a few little extra things that I can add to simplify. And probably remove that and then remove some of those as well. Little bits and pieces we can shave off. Other ways to do circles, of course, including purely radial gradients. I am using border radius and border. I don't have to do that. I could do another radial gradient to do the brown overall. That would change the numbers a bit on the inner shadow, but I'm happy with that particular setup. Yeah, I kind of like it. Kind of like it a lot. Other changes I would make, I think that's good. Hope you are taking care of yourselves, taking care of each other, and I'll see you tomorrow. Go make a webpage. See you later. Bye.